Rysh is a terminal multiplexer built for coding agents. One go binary and you install it the usual way. That's the open source build, straight from the public module, and it lands on your path as Rysh. Start a session by name. Rysh runs it in a background daemon, which is the detail everything else in this video rests on. The session is not your terminal. Your terminal is just a window onto it. Inside a session, work is organized in tabs. New tab, and you get one. Name it whatever the work is called, and the name is what you'll navigate by later. A tab splits into lanes. A lane is a vertical column of the tab, and it's the unit you group related work into. Here's a second one next to the first. Inside a lane, panes stack. New stack 2, and now there are 3 panes in this lane, one on top of the other, each with its own shell. Stacking is how you keep several things open without shrinking any of them to nothing. And now the point of all of it, type # Claude in a pane, and Claude Code starts right there, with its conversation pinned to that pane. Control S and a number moves down the stack, so the second pane gets its own Claude, a separate process, a separate conversation, nothing shared between them. Once more for the third, then back to the top of the stack, where the first one is still sitting exactly as you left it. 3 panes, 3 independent Claude sessions, all running at the same time in a single terminal window, and none of them tied to this terminal, which is what the next video is about.